myself Shukla Bhomik.
And me, Anantya. Together, we both welcome you in Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan and Infosys Foundation Outreach Cultural Program.
Infosys Foundation is a non-profitable foundation based in Karnataka, India, established on 1996 by Infosys to support the underprivileged section of the society.
A dedicated team in Infosys Foundation identifies such programs in the areas of healthcare, education, art and culture, destitute care and rural development.
Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan and Infosys has teamed together to provide suitable platform to the upcoming budding hidden talent from the various corners of the country and executing the true values of Indian art and culture.
Infosys Foundation has selected Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan only on the basis of qualities, values, contributions so far and the impression as a prestigious organization of India. This foundation has funded the entire act named as Outreach Cultural Program, which clearly focus to rejuvenate Indian art and culture.
There are various objectives of this foundation, means Bhavan's Infosys Foundation Outreach Cultural Programs, and the main objectives are to respect and revitalize the immortal regional ethos and also to promote suitable foundation to the upcoming budding talents and especially those who belongs to the weaker section of the society.
It helped to promote a relation between the upcoming artist with the society also, so that their talents can easily come up and they can also take it as their profession. It helped to build a correlation with the society and this artist.
Bhavan's Tripura Vidya Mandir, being one of the most successful centers of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, set up on 2nd October 1996, is executing Bhavan's Infosys Foundation Outreach Cultural Program for so many years in this small state Tripura. And till now we have conducted around 6 programs in various corners of this small state, and also we have showcased so much of talents from this state. And this year, though it is an adverse situation right now, but there is no exception. As they say, when there is a will, there is a way.
Yes, exactly. As we all are facing a very harsh situation nowadays, COVID-19, this deadly disease is spreading so vigorously in everywhere that it now becomes a fear factor for all of us. In one hand, where the number of affected people is increasing every day, the rate of recovery is not lagging behind. Though we are facing a lot of obstacles, but we have finally able to reach to the various upcoming artists of our states from the different corners of Tripura. Even this pandemic situation also couldn't stop us from doing so. Today we are having total 6 participants who will perform one after another in front of you.
Our first program was in 2015 and it was held in Bhavan's Tripura Vidya Mandir Auditorium. It was a blend of Indian classical music and folk dance that took place in the auditorium hall of Bhavan's Tripura Vidya Mandir, Nashingar.
Next was on 7th August 2015. A beautiful musical harmony of baul songs and other traditional form of folk music took place at the community hall of Dharmanagar.
In the same year, 26th of December, a musical evening was arranged at Bhavan's Tripura College of Science and Technology, in which many eminent instrumentalists and vocalists took part and stunned the audiences with their speechless performances.
On the next year, 2016, on 14th August, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Agartala Kendra organized the Outreach Cultural Program in the BTVM Auditorium Hall. It was a musical evening of fusion of Indian and Western music.
18th November 2017, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Agartala Kendra extended the platform of Outreach Cultural Program to Bilunia Subdivision, South Tripura. A speechless performance of Indian folk music has earned a huge appreciation in the entire subdivision.
And in the same year, on 27 December, Outreach Cultural Program recorded one of the finest performances of Hojagiri Dance Group and Dhamail Dance Group, rare folk dance art forms that need rhythm, balance, spontaneity and flexibility.
So today our first performer is Hinangi Devnath, daughter of Runjit Kumar Devnath and Jagotrani Devnath. She is a resident of Abhaynagar area. She is pursuing her BSc nursing right now, and she has completed her Visharad in Kathak and also in Ravindra Nitya. So such a talented artist she is, I think.
Yes.
And her dancing guru is our very own Shri Pradeep Devnath sir. And today she is going to perform in Nataraja Nritya, and I think you will also agree that nothing can be a better start than this, because Lord Shiva is considered as both the destroyer and the creator as per the Hindu mythology. And right now our entire art is full of negativity. So through her performance we would also pray to Lord Shiva that he will engulf all the negativity in himself and again make this world a beautiful one like before. So let's enjoy her performance.
नाचे नटराज महाकाल, नाच 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 नटराज नटराज नटराज, नाचे नटराज महाकाल, नाचे नटराज महाकाल, महाकाल महाकाल महाकाल।
Lord Shiva's this Nataraj dance is an symbolism of energy and powerfulness. And yes, exactly, Hinangi has portraying the same way her dance. And she has received so many awards and honors also because of her dance performance. And today she also doing the same. Thank you so much, dear, for your lovely performance.
Our next performer is Durbanjali Dasgupta, daughter of Mr. Shondipun Dasgupta and Srimati Anindita Dasgupta, and she is a student of Shankar Dance Academy. After the powerful performance of Himangi on Nataraj Nritya, now we can assume that the world has become a beautiful garden of so many colorful flowers again. And in that beautiful garden, Durbanjali is performing on a beautiful Ravindra Sangeet, because as Bengalis, we can't even imagine our existence without the beautiful creation of Ravindranath Tagore. So in the beautiful garden of this earth, Lord Krishna is calling his beloved Radha that Gahana Kusuma Kunja Majhe, Mridula Madhura Bansi Baje, Bishari Trasa Lok Laj, Sajani Aao Aao Lo.
बन मेरा सर जो बन बार श्याम, अधर बांसुरी बाजे बावरी, होठ पर राधे का नाम, शीश राजे मोर मुकुट शोभे गलमाला, धुन मधुर से मन लुभावे ब्रज में नंद लाला। कुसुम कुंज माझे मृदुल मधुर बंशी बाजे, बिसरी त्रास लोक लाजे, सजनिया बोलो गहन कुसुम कुंज माझे। विनह चारु नीलबास, हृदय प्रणय कुसुम राश, विनह चारु नीलबास, हृदय प्रणय कुसुम राश, हरिण नेत्र विमल हास, हरिण नेत्र विमल हास, कुंज वन में आवलो गहन कुसुम कुंज माझे। नीचे सोवत चहुतिसी एक राधिका जागे, मंदवत गति चलत मधुमति लोक लाज को त्यागे, सकल फूल बन गंध मोदित गगन चंद्रमा राजे, विहंग गावे कदम छाए मधुर बांसुरी बाजे। कुसुम सुरभ भार ढाले बिहग सुरबसार, ढाले इंदु अमृत धार विमल रजत भाति रे, मंद मंद भृंग गुंजे अयुत कुसुम कुंजे कुंजे, मंद मंद भृंग गुंजे अयुत कुसुम कुंजे कुंजे, कुटल सजनी पुंजे पुंजे, कलसजनि पुञ्जे पुञ्जे बकुलयूथि जाति रे गहन कुसुम कुञ्ज माझे श्याम वनतल नीलाचल श्याम करधर राधे चितवानन्दितवतहि पुलकित हृदय हृदय सोपाधे देखे सुंदर छब कर जोड़ सब जुगल मेलन की छवि युग बीते कत गान गावत कत मुनि कत शत कवि देख लो सखी श्याम राय नयन प्रेम उथल जाय मधुर बदन अमृत सदन चंद्रमाय बिंदिछे आवो आवो सजनी वृंद हेरब सखी श्री गोविंद आवो आवो सजनी वृंद हेरब सखी श्री गोविंद श्याम को पदार विंद श्याम को पदार विंद भानु सिंह बंदी छे गहन कुसुम कुंज माझे मृदुल मधुर वंशी बाजे बिसरि त्रास लोक लाजे सजनिया बोलो गहन कुसुम कुंज माझे
What a mesmerizing performance that she had done now.
Yeah, exactly.
And the message that she want to portray through her dance performance, we all can understand.
Yeah.
Actually, we all are need such a nature-friendly atmosphere where the nature is so beautiful. Its charmingness can portrayed in front of us. Thank you, dear, for showing this lovely performance. Thank you very much.
Now it's time to enjoy the performance of Solanki Banerjee, and she is ex-student of Bhavans only. She has completed Visharad in 3 times and Nipuna for 1 time, and her dance guru is Ajanta Bardhan Roy. She is going to perform on Durga Vandana, and as we all know, it's already August, so October is very soon, and Bengalis are throughout the year we are excited for our Durga Puja to worship our goddess Durga and to welcome her. So through her performance we will welcome our goddess Durga, as she is the symbol of triumph on negativity. So let's enjoy her performance.
गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते
झम तत्ता तदिकिट तकदिं तत्ता तदिकिट जम
मयि गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि
जम तदिमि तकिट तज्जम
मयि गिरिनन्दिनि
जम तकिट दिमि
मयि गिरि
तकदिमि तकजम
मयि गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशितिकण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते अयि शरणागत वीरवधूवर भयदायक रे त्रिभुवन मस्तक शूलविरोधी शिरोधिकृतामल शूलकरे
Takka-jam, takka-takita, takka-jam, takka-jam, takita-jam.
दुमि दुमि तामर दुन्दुभिनादमहोमुखरिकृतदिमकरे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
Tadannata, tatatadannata, tajjanutta, tajunutta, takkanakka jam kitta tarikita tanakita takkanakka tarikita takka kitta tum takka takita tum targadum tak tadanna targadum tak tajannu targadum tak tadimmi targadum tak takita tadittum nam tagajam takanam takadim jam tanam takita dikitta janutta tum takita dikitta kitta takka tadanna tajannu tadimmi takita tadanna tadanna tajannu tadimmi takita ditta taditta takadiku tadingina tum takadiku tadingina tum takadiku tadingina tum ditta taditta takatadingina tum takatadingina tum takatadingina tum ditta taditta tadingina tum tadingina tum
या चण्डी मधुकैटभादिदैत्यदलने माहिषोन्मूलिनी जाधूम्रेक्षणचण्डमुण्डमथनी या रक्तबीजाशने शक्तिशुम्भनि शुम्भदैत्यदलनी या कोटिमूर्तिसहिता मां पातु विश्वेश्वरी
Yes, Solanki, the performance that she did now is so wonderful that we all can understand that we Bengalis are eagerly waiting for Ma Durga, and this time she will surely come and she will bless all of us from this pandemic condition, and she will solve all the problems very soon. Thank you so much, dear, for this wonderful performance.
Thank you.
After observing one after another dance performance, a very famous quote of Martha Graham is striking in my mind.
Which one?
That dancers are the messengers of God.
I totally agree with you.
And even today, all of the dance performers also doing the same. And not only that, I think that all of the dancers are also trying to portray the same message. What do you say?
Yeah, sure. I totally agree.
So, our next performer is Shatarupa Saha, daughter of Orup Kanti Saha and Aparna Rani Saha. She is basically a Kathak dancer, and her Nritya Guru is Shri Chinmoy Das sir. So, for what we are waiting now? Let us enjoy.
Yeah, let's enjoy the performance.
बोलो ना राधिका ताके जेओ ना प्रियो बोलो ना राधिका ताके जेओ ना प्रियो চলে যেতে চাইস যদি চলে যেতে চাই
যেতে দিও। বলো না রাধিকা তাকে, যেও না প্রিয়। যেমন বনের লতা বসন্ত চলে গেলে, যেন বা মনের কথা বধূ আগিয়েছে ভুলে। যেমন বনের লতা বসন্ত চলে গেলে, যেন বা মনের কথা বধূ আগিয়েছে ভুলে। যতটুকু মনে আছে ততটুকু সাথে নিও, যতটুকু মনে আছে ততটুকু সাথে নিও। বলো না রাধিকা তাকে, যেও না প্রিয়। অযথা দুরাশা যদি খুঁজে ফেরে হারা নিধি, খুঁজে ফেরে হারা নিধি গো। অযথা দুরাশা যদি খুঁজে ফেরে হারা নিধি, ছলনারও গতিবিধি ভাঙে হৃদি তা জানিও। ছলনারও গতিবিধি ভাঙে হৃদি তা জানিও। বলো না রাধিকা তাকে, যেও না প্রিয়। চলে যেতে চায় সে যদি, চলে যেতে চায় সে যদি, চলে তাকে যেতে দিও। বলো না রাধিকা তাকে, যেও না প্রিয়। বলো না রাধিকা, লা 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 প্রিয়।
Thank you so much, Shaturupa, for your beautiful performance. Actually, this song is one of my most favorite songs. And how nice the lines are. Bolo na Radhika take, jeo na priyo. It means that if anyone wants to go out from our life, then we should not forcibly stop that person. It's better let that person go and wait for the perfect time, because love is something which cannot be achieved forcibly. It just happens in our life, and it's just like God's grace in our life. So thank you so much.
May Lord Krishna's love and his flute teach the soul of love in our heart. May Lord Radha's love teach not only how to love, but how to love eternally.
Exactly. Actually, since our childhood, we have known that the Lord Krishna and Radha, they loved each other forever selflessly, without the expectation of any kind of unity.
Yes. Now the entire atmosphere is filled up with the eternal love of Lord Krishna and Radhe. And the saga will now continue by another dance performer, who is Onesha Pal, daughter of Uttam Kumar Pal and Onindita Pal. She is a very good dancer, and her Nritya Guru is Srimati Manasi Ghosh. So let us now enjoy her dance performance.
मरोड़ी कलाई मोरी, मरोड़ी कलाई मोरी, हाँ कलाई मोरी, हाँ कलाई, मरोड़ी कलाई मोरी, चूड़ी चटकाई इतराई तो चोरी से गरबा लगाई, हरी ये चुनरिया जो झटके से छीनी, हरी ये चुनरिया जो झटके से छीनी, मैं तो रंगी हरी हरी के रंग लाज से, गुलाबी गाल मोहे रंग दो लाल, नंद के लाल लाल, छेड़ो नहीं बस रंग दो लाल मोहे रंग दो लाल। मोहे रंग दो
Have you seen how beautifully she has performed? Actually, red is the color of passionate love, and it is so, intriguingly portrayed by her performance, Mohe Rang Do Lal. Yeah, exactly. We will also hope that we can also be able to love each other selflessly.
Which is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring. And your one?
I think spring only, and that is a favorite season of most of the people, I think.
Yes, and do you know why I like the spring most? Because the trees are once again filled up with green leaves, fresh flowers are blooming everywhere, and a very fresh air is also blowing.
Yeah, spring is the symbol of freshness, it's the symbol of youth, I think.
Yes, and the same thing will be portrayed by our next performer, who is Rosie Chakraborty, daughter of Uttam Kumar Chakraborty and Shikha Chakraborty. She has completed her Bisharat in dance in Ravindra Nitya and Kathak also.
It's great.
And do you know who is her dance guru?
No
He is
guesses.
our very famous Shri Pradeep Debnath sir. So, why you are waiting? Let us enjoy her dance performance now.
Yeah, surely, let's enjoy that.
আজ ফাগুনে আগুন লাগে পোলা সে শিমুলে, অজয় শিলাই কংসাবতী দামোদরের কুলে। আজ ফাগুনে আগুন লাগে পোলা সে শিমুলে, অজয় শিলাই কংসাবতী দামোদরের কুলে। ধিম দিদি দিম ধামসা মাদল বলে, ধিম দিদি দিম ধামসা মাদল বলে। দেখবি রে চল লাগছে সবাই ঝুমুর গানের তালে।
হয়নি যাব বিনা দিয়া বেড়া দয়া হায় রে হায় সুন্দর কায়া মাটিতে মিল যাব দয়া হায় রে হায় एको दिना उड़ी चली যাব দয়া হায় রে হায় সুন্দর কায়া মাটিতে মিল যাব দয়া হায় রে হায়
एको दिना उड़ी चली जाबो दया हाय रे हाय सुंदर काया माटी से मिल जाबो दया हाय रे हाय एको दिना उड़ी चली जाबो दया हाय रे हाय सुंदर काया माटी से मिल जाबो दया हाय रे
Spring is the season of freshness and it is full of vibrant colors, and I think by Rosie's dance it is clearly portrayed that actually spring is the season of new hope also. So Rosie, thank you so much for generating that much positivity in us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So now we are at the end of today's program, and we hope that even in this crisis period we are successful to make you delighted even for a while, and our participants also tried their best to entertain you all.
Yes, and I would like to encourage our all participants that in spite of such a situation also, they cooperate with us, and such a beautiful program we can able to do. And side by side, I would like to give a thanks to Bhavans Tripura Vidya Mandir, side by side Infosys Foundation, this Outrage Cultural Program, to organize such a beautiful program. Hope it will continue in future also. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.